A very good morning, children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. So, children, I hope you all are well and everybody is fine at home, children. And I just expect that you all are working very hard for your examination and for your studies. Be focused, children. Only the focus toward your goal and for being concentrated toward your goal is only important thing which make you to achieve your dreams. So we have successfully completed the 4 chapters in our videos. Today I am going to introduce with the new month and with the first date. I am going to introduce you the new chapter, which is a therapeutic approaches or psychotherapy chapter, which is a chapter 5. So please, children, note it down the topic and the chapter name in your copy. Okay, so the chapter name is Therapeutic Approaches. Chapter 5, Therapeutic Approaches. This is your topic, Therapeutic Approaches. So in this particular chapter, the first topic which you have to read is the nature and process of psychotherapy. Nature and process of psychotherapy. Nature and process of psychotherapy. This is the topic. What you have to discuss and what we have to discuss in this, children. In this you have to study about the nature and process of psychotherapy. What is the nature of psychotherapy? What is the process? Okay. साइकोथेरेपी क्या है, उसका नेचर क्या है, क्या प्रोसेस होते हैं, ये आपको इसमें पढ़ना है. तो लेट अस स्टडी अबाउट दिस वन. सो चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज साइकोथेरेपी? साइकोथेरेपी क्या है? बेसिकली साइकोथेरेपी is something which I can relate to you, that psychotherapy means a therapeutic relationship between the client and therapist is known as psychotherapy. So first of all, what is psychotherapy? What is psychotherapy? So psychotherapy is a voluntary relationship between the therapist and the client. Therapist is the one who is helping the client and client is the one who seek help. So what is psychotherapy? Please note it down. Psychotherapy is a voluntary relationship. Psychotherapy is a voluntary relationship between the one seeking treatment और the client, जिसे हम client कहेंगे, जिसको ट्रीटमेंट चाहिए, and the one who treat or the therapist. So what is psychotherapy, children? Psychotherapy is a voluntarily, very important point, voluntarily relationship है between the client and the therapist. Sorry, I have written here therapy, not therapy. It is therapist. Please note it down, this definition, this concept in your copy, children. What is psychotherapy? It is a voluntary relationship between the therapist and the client. I hope आपको learn हो गया और अच्छे से कि what is psychotherapy. Psychotherapy is a voluntary relationship between the therapist and the client. आगे. And what is the purpose of this relationship? The purpose of this relationship is to help the client to solve the psychological problem being faced by him or her. Whatever the psychological problem which client is facing, it is the responsibility of the therapist to solve those problems, because client came with the expectation and with the hope toward the therapist that therapist will definitely help and give them the solution for their psychological problem. The relationship is conducive for building the trust of the client so that problem may be freely discussed. This relationship is purely based on trust. ये पूरा जो relationship है ये trust पे based है. If the client do not have the trust on the therapist, the client will not completely share his or her feeling with the therapist. अगर क्लाइंट जो है थेरेपिस्ट पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करेगा तो वो कुछ भी उससे शेयर नहीं करेगा. तो इट इज अ रिलेशनशिप विच वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड अ ट्रस्ट. आफ्टर द बिल्डिंग ऑफ द ट्रस्ट, द क्लाइंट डेफिनेटली हेल्प द थेरेपिस्ट. ओके, नाउ psychotherapies aim at changing the maladaptive behavior. Psychotherapies का aim होता है, they have an aim, they have a goal to change the maladaptive behavior into adaptive one. Decreasing the sense of personal distress and helping the client to adapt better to his or her environment. Inadequate marital, occupational and social adjustment also require that major changes be made in an individual's personal environment. Whatever the problem which are faced by the client, it is purely the responsibility of the psychologist and the therapist to solve it. Because the client come to the therapist with some expectation that therapist will help them to overcome with their psychological and adjustment problem. Okay, so we get so many things related to the psychotherapy. We get to know that psychotherapy is a voluntary relationship. It is a relationship between the therapist and the client. It is based on trust, and the therapist purely help the client to change his or her maladaptive behavior into adaptive one. So this is all about psychotherapy. Okay. Next, psychotherapy have some characteristics. Please note it down. What are the characteristics of the psychotherapy? We have understand psychotherapy क्या होता है. Again I am repeating, it is a voluntary relationship. To whom it is relationship? It is a relationship between therapist and the client. Therapist और client के बीच में ये relationship होता है. First point, ये relationship trust पे होता है. क्लाइंट के कुछ maladaptive behaviors होते हैं जिसे वो adaptive में convert करने के लिए therapist के पास आते हैं. Client may be facing some of the social and adjustment problem, okay, work adjustment problem, which was sorted out by the therapist. I hope children you all have noted it down, the meaning of psychotherapy. Now we will discuss about the characteristics. or the features. What are the characteristics and feature? So please heading डालेंगे features of psychotherapy. Features. What is the first feature? There is a systematic application of principle underlying the different theories of therapy. First क्या होता है? What is psychotherapy? Psychotherapy always employs systematic applications of principle. Principles means rules. जो भी rules बने हैं तो systematic application. The first point is systematic application. Systematic application of therapies. ठीक है. Second point. What is the second point? Person who have received practical training under expert supervision can practice psychotherapy. Second point is it is very much required point on the part of the therapist that they should be trained. So the therapist must be trained and एक्सपर्ट होना चाहिए उसे अपने एरिया का. ठीक है, अपने फील्ड का अपने नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. शुड बी he or she should be trained and expertise. These are the some features and the characteristics of a psychotherapy. Children, don't forget we are reading the chapter 5 therapeutic approaches of class 12 CBSE board introduction to psychology. Okay, so this is a preparation for your board examination, and after going through this one you will be better able to score a good marks. So keep watching the videos. Okay, now so these are the features. Now move toward to the next feature. The therapeutic situation involve a therapist and the client who receive help his or her emotional problem, attention in the therapeutic process. The two persons are involved in psychotherapy. It was trying to say that. The third point is two persons are involved. Who are the two persons? Two persons are involved. One is the therapist and another is the client. This you can use, children, as a notes also. If you want, you can take a screenshot. It will help you to read it further. The two persons are involved. One is the therapist and the other is the client. Two persons are involved. One is the therapist and the client. You don't write then one, you just write therapist and the client. Understood, children? These 3 points. Now moving to the next point. This relationship which was made between the therapist and the client. The fourth point is that this relationship is based on confidential, interpersonal and dynamic. The relationship between the therapist and the client is, I hope the first point you all have noted it down. So the fourth point is the relationship which is between the therapist and the client is based on relationship based on confidential होता है relationship, confidentiality It was interpersonal. Interpersonal means between the two person only. Whatever the things were there, it was known to only two person. It was known to only therapist and the client. So relationship is based on confidentiality. Confidentiality means the whatever the information the client share with the therapist, it was purely based on trust and confidential. The therapist's responsibility is to not to share such information with the any other person. ठीक है, वो किसी और पर्सन को वो इंफॉर्मेशन सेंड नहीं करेंगे. फाइन. So I hope the features I have completed here. So I just hope children you understand about the meaning of psychotherapy and the features of psychotherapy. After watching this video, I must be sure that whenever this question came into your examination, that what is the meaning of psychotherapy and what are the characteristic and feature, I hope you all will be able to write it and attempt that question. So I can consider that teaching you this topic will be benefit for you all. So we understand the meaning of psychotherapy and we understand the features. Again, just do a revision with me up to these two topics. The first one, what is psychotherapy? It is a therapeutic relationship. It is a voluntary relationship between the therapist and the client. The therapist is the one who gives the help and client is the one who seeks the help. This relationship is based on trust. The client is having some maladaptive behavior which the therapist was trying to change that maladaptive behavior into adaptive one. We read about some of the characteristics and the features of psychotherapy. The first feature we have read that when we do the therapy, the principles, applications of the principles are done in a systematic manner. Secondly, it is very important on the part of the therapist that they should be trained and experienced. Untrained and unexperienced may somewhere not very reliable and not give the proper method. It is just like a doctor who is not having a degree and they are prescribing the medicine, which is obviously not good for your health. So psychologists, they are working for your mental health. So both are very important, children. As physical health is important, so mental health is also equally important. Both are important. We have to take care of both of our health. And it should be done by ourselves only. It should be our priority. When we take care of ourselves, then only we are able to take care of other one. Okay? So, features, the therapist should be trained and experienced. Third, two persons are involved. Fourth, the relationship is based on confidential, interpersonal and dynamic. The word is dynamic. Dynamic means it will change also. It will change also. Let me write it clearly so that you will be able to understand. Dynamic. Dynamic means changing. This relationship will change also. Okay, it's not like that it will continue throughout the life. The client is came to the therapist with some problem, and once the problem is solved, it is a relationship. Very important point, children, is based on professionalism. Professions पे ये based है. Okay, so I just consider the two important points you all are able to understand. Moving forward, now we will study about the goals of psychotherapy. What are the goals of psychotherapy? Goals means aim. हमारा एम क्या होता है साइकोथेरेपी में? What are the goals? What are the goals? The first goal is reinforcing client better resolvement. Basically, reinforcement is the first goal. Reinforcing client. Very important point. Reinforcing. Reinforcing means motivating, giving them a reinforcement, a push. Okay? Motivation क्या करता है? Motivation energizes the person to do something. Push करता है. तो very important in this term of psychotherapy that because client is coming to the therapist with low motivation. क्लाइंट जो है थेरेपिस्ट के पास आ रहा है, उसे मैल एडेप्टिव प्रॉब्लम है, एडजस्टमेंट प्रॉब्लम है, एंड कमिंग विथ अ वेरी लो मोटिवेशन बिकॉज नोबडी हैव गिवन देम एन इम्पोर्टेंस, nobody have shown them their efficiency, their values. So it is very important, it has become very important on the part of the therapist to give importance to them, to give value to them. Reinforcement is very important. Reinforcing करना उनको एक तरह से it is a kind of like praising the client. Okay, motivate करते रहना हमेशा. It's a very important part. Second, lessening emotional pressure. Second point is lessen यानी कम करना. Lessen emotional pressure. What are the emotional pressure which are faced by the client in their social life or emotional life? To reduce that pressure. It is also one of the goal of psychotherapy. So these are the goal, children. A very important question for your board examination. So lessen emotional pressure. Third, modifying habits. Modifying habits. Habits को modify करना. That is also a goal of psychotherapy. Modifying habits. Habits, ill habits which were made by the client. Client ने कुछ habits बनाए हैं ऐसे, उसको modify करना. Like thinking a lot, or कंसर्निंग अबाउट एवरीथिंग, तो उस तरीके की कुछ हैबिट्स को चेंज करना, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट गोल, चेंजिंग थिंकिंग पैटर्न। Changing thinking pattern, a very important point. Changing thinking pattern. Thinking pattern यानी the client कैसे सोचते हैं, irrational thinking होती है यूजली, illogical thinking होती है, ज़्यादा सोचते हैं, over thinking भी होती है। तो to change their thinking pattern is also one of the goal of psychotherapy. Changing thinking pattern, ठीक है। प्लीज नोट इट डाउन चिल्ड्रन और टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू ऑल। नेक्स्ट, इंक्रीजिंग सेल्फ अवेयरनेस। इंक्रीजिंग सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। क्लाइंट में सेल्फ अवेयरनेस को बढ़ाना। सेल्फ अवेयरनेस मीन्स व्हाट यू अंडरस्टैंड, व्हाट यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय सेल्फ अवेयरनेस। सेल्फ अवेयरनेस इंक्रीज करना मीन्स द क्लाइंट विल बी एबल टू नो अबाउट देमसेल्फ। क्लाइंट अपने ही बारे में नहीं जानता, वो खो जाता है कहीं। तो साइकोथेरेपी का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल होता है कि क्लाइंट में सेल्फ अवेयरनेस इंक्रीज करे। अवेयरनेस इंक्रीज करने का मतलब द क्लाइंट विल बी एबल टू नो अबाउट इट्स स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेसेस। इट शुड बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट क्लाइंट को मालूम होनी चाहिए कि उसकी स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, उसकी वीकनेसेस क्या है। तो अवेयरनेस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल ऑफ ए साइकोथेरेपी। ओके, सो दीज आर द गोल। आगे बढ़ते हैं। Improving interpersonal relationship and communication. The next goal is improving interpersonal relationship and communication. ठीक है, इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स को इम्प्रूव करना, इट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द गोल। सो चिल्ड्रन प्लीज नोट इट डाउन दीज गोल्स। ओके, रिइंफोर्स करना क्लाइंट को, इमोशन प्रेशर को कम करना, हैबिट्स को चेंज करना, थिंकिंग पैटर्न्स को चेंज करना, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस इंक्रीज करना पर्सन में, क्लाइंट में, रिलेशनशिप को इम्प्रूव करना। सो ये सारे कुछ गोल्स होते हैं। Okay, I hope you all have written it down, so I am writing it some more goals. Okay, so let's write some more goals. Unfolding the potential for positive growth. Unfolding the potential. Unfolding the potential for positive growth. Unfolding the potential for positive growth. This is also one of the goal of साइकोथेरेपी। साइकोथेरेपी का ये भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट गोल है, पोटेंशियल को अनफोल्ड करना ताकि पॉजिटिव ग्रोथ हो। क्लाइंट, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द क्लाइंट टू अंडरस्टैंड हिज और हर पोटेंशियलिटी, हिज और हर कैपेबिलिटी। बेसिकली क्लाइंट में सेल्फ एफिशिएंसी को इन्हांस करना इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द गोल ऑफ psychotherapy. I hope you are understanding, children. Again, I am repeating what are the things which we have read in today's video. We read about what is the meaning of psychotherapy. We read about the characteristics and feature, and lastly we read about the goals. So watching this video will definitely help you to score good marks in your board examination. So keep watching it, okay? So after the next topic we will discuss in the next video, which will definitely so this is for all today for this video. Thank you so much for carefully listening to me and carefully observing this video. Thank you so much.